Hello friends, in this video, let's see how the first year college students can introduce themselves. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. You can also use buddies instead of friends. At first, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. You have to say your name and location. I am David. You have to say your name, then your location. I am from Chennai. If you want to say your name and location together, you have to say I am David from Chennai. If your native place is different from current location, you have to say I am from Chennai but now staying in Mumbai. Or you can say I am from Chennai. Now I am staying at college hostel. Or you can say I am from Chennai. Now I am staying in my uncle's house. Next, education. I did my schooling at Government Higher Secondary School, Chennai. If you have studied 10th and 12th in different schools, then you can say I studied 10th at ACC High School, Chennai. I completed 12th from BCC Higher Secondary School, Chennai. Then I passed 12th with 92% of marks. Or you can say I passed 12th with flying colors. I am happy and excited to do graduation in this college. Or you can say I am happy to study BBA. You have to say your course name, okay? I have used BBA in this college. I am happy to study BBA in this college. Reasons. You have to say the reasons why you have chosen a particular course. I study this course because of several opportunities available. I pursue BBA. You have to say your course name. I have given BBA because of my parents. I believe that parents can guide me in the right direction. I have decided to do this course to become a manager in MNC company. You can use one of these reasons. If you have got any other reasons, you can say it so. Then, about your family. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a doctor and my mother is a homemaker. Then, about your siblings. I have 2 elder brothers. My eldest brother got married. Or you can say I have 2 sisters. Both of my siblings are elder to me and have got married. Or you can say I have an elder brother and a younger sister. You can say like this. Then you can talk about your hobbies. I spend my leisure time watching TV, talking with my friends, reading stories, listening to music. Or you can say my hobbies are reading newspaper, browsing in the internet. You can say like this. Or you can say I have the habit of collecting stamps. You can say these examples. Then strengths. I am friendly with all. I always try to have a very good relationship with teachers who can make me a better person in the society. Then finishing. We are gonna complete our introduction session. My aim is to become a doctor. You can say about your aim. What's your aim? My aim is to become a manager. You can say, you can talk about your aim, ambitions, your likes. Okay. I once again thank you for this wonderful opportunity. That's all about self introduction for a college student. If you have got any comments, you can say it, and you can subscribe my channel, like it, share it, comment it. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.